Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the EVS 3rd grade lesson number 4, the story of a drop of water. If you want the explanation and textbook activity of other lessons of grade 3 EVS, you can check the playlist of my channel. In this lesson, we will identify the different sources of water and we will explain from where do we get the water for our household activity, and we will understand the necessity and quantity of water needed for day-to-day activities. And we will discuss the size, shape and material used to prepare the vessels that are used to store water, and we will understand the safety measure to be followed in storage and proper use of water. Okay. What do you see in this picture? It is a drop of water and it is telling, oh dear children, I am a drop of water. I am coming to the earth from the clouds drop by drop as rain. Children, how do the water come to this earth? Water come to this earth in the form of the rain, right? Yes. So it is telling, I come from the clouds drop by drop as rain and I fall on you. Rainwater will fall on you, right? Yes. So if the rainwater will fall on you, what will happen? You will get wet and you will go inside with your friends, right? So here drop of water is telling you get wet, so go inside with your friends. So the here friends are telling, the children are telling, oh dear drop of water, I love to get wet. Where are you going? My friends and I will come with you. Dear drop, will you take with us? So here children are telling, don't go away drop of water, we love to get wet. Children, if it will rain, you will also like to go outside and you will also like to get wet in the rain, right? Yes, likewise here children are telling, we love to get wet and we will also come with you wherever you are going. Then here drop of water is telling, I flow to different places. It may be difficult for you to come with me. So the children are telling, no, we would like to come with you only. So the drop of water is telling, all right, look at the pictures to know the places where I go through, flow through and I fall on the earth. So the children are telling, okay, we are ready. So the drop of water is telling, children, look at the picture and write their names in the space provided. Children, you also look this picture and tell me what they are. This is well, W-E-L-L, well. Then this one is pond, P-O-N-D, pond. Then this is river, R-I-V-E-R, river. This is S-E-A-C. So children, when the rain will rain, the rainwater will be collected in well, pond, river and sea, right? Yes. So here drop of water is telling, all right children, you already know that the places where I get stored. So these are all the places where rainwater will get stored. It is called sources of water. Okay, so the children are telling, dear drop of water, do you know that there are many sources of water in our place also? So the children are telling, drop of water, there are many sources of water in our place also. So the drop of water is giving one activity to the children. Children, the name of the sources of water are hidden in the word grid given below. Identify them. See here children, here name of the sources of water is hidden here. You need to identify this. What are all you have to identify? You have to identify river, pond, rain, stream, rivulet, well, sea, hand pump. These are all the sources of water. Okay. Next, children, write the names of my sources found in your place in the space provided. So the drop of water is telling, you have to write the names of the sources which are found in your place. So that is, what are all the sources of water you find in your place, children? Hand pump, tap water, well, bore well, whatever you will find, you have to write here. So did you write tap also? So drop of water is asking, did you write tap also? So the children are telling, drop of water, it is not a source of water. We store water from the tap itself. Don't you know? So the drop of water is telling, but the tap is not my source. I come to the earth from other source. Understand? For example, I may come from a pond or a river. So children, the tap water which you are getting in your home, it is not directly from the source. It is from the river or pond. Okay. So here, now drop of water is telling children, for what purposes do you use me? Write them in the space provided. So children, you have to write here the uses of water, that is drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing vehicles, washing utensils, cleaning, watering plant, cooking, all these things you can write. Okay. Drop of water is telling, all right, now tell me, where do you bring from to your house? So children, from where do you bring water to your house? From borewell, tap water, river, well, right? Yes. So how far are located from your place? How far they are located from your place? You have to write here. Okay. Now children, who brings me to your home? Write the answer inside. Who will bring water to your home? So your father, your brother, your mother, whoever will bring, you have to write here. Okay. One activity is there. Read carefully the table given below. Then put right mark in the column of sources of water used for various purposes. See here children, here on the left side, uses of water is there. That is drinking, washing dishes, washing clothes, bathing, cooking, gardening, washing domestic animals, washing vehicles. Now which source of water do you use? You have to put right mark, which is given in the right side. Okay. Now drop of water is telling, dear children, what is the source of water in your school? In your school, what is the source of water, children? In your school, you will be having Pureit, AquaGuard, right? And in some of the schools, you will be having well also, right? Yes, whatever is there, you have to write here. Now, how do you store me in your house? Look at the pictures and put right mark in the boxes, and also write which material they are used to prepare. See children, first with the pot, you can see it is made up of mud. Do you store water in that? If yes, put right mark. Here second, plastic mud it is. So this is plastic. If you use this, put right mark. Water bottle do you use, children? Yes, so that is also of plastic. We will put right mark. Then tumbler do you use? Yes, it is steel tumbler. We will use this. If you will not use, you can put wrong mark. If you will use, you have to put right mark. Then syntax do you use in your home? If yes, you put right mark. If no, put wrong mark, and it is made up of plastic. Then this is the filter to store the water. Do you use this in your home? If yes, put right mark. If no, put wrong mark. It is made up of steel. Then this is tank is made up of cement. If you will use this, you put right mark. If no, you put wrong mark. Now here one activity is there. Apart from these, if you store me in any other vessels, draw their pictures and write their names. Apart from the above pictures which we have seen, if you store the water in any other vessels, you have to write here. Okay. Now the drop of water is telling children, which materials are these made up of? So if you use other vessels, which materials they are made up of? So the vessels will be made up of steel, plastic, mud, iron, cement, bricks, copper, aluminium and wood. Okay. Next, the vessels are made up of mud, plastic, steel, copper, etc. are used to store me. So drop of water is telling, now one activity is giving, how many containers are there in your house? Count them and write. So children, here are the picture of containers. How many are there in your house? You have to count and write. Steel, plastic, mud, brass, copper, others. Whichever is there, you have to write. Now draw the picture of the smallest and biggest container that you use in your home. Children, in your home, which is the smallest and biggest container do you use? You have to draw here. Now next, this is how you store me. What drop of water is telling? This is how you store me. So children are telling, yes, we store drinking water in a vessel and close with the lid. So what drop of water is telling? What the children are telling? Yes, we store water, drinking water with the vessel and close a lid. So children, this is very big lesson. So for today it is enough. I will upload the next part in the next video. You can see from there. Okay. If you want my other lessons, as I have told you, you can see the playlist of my channel. Thanks for